26th of March 2020 is New Zealand's first day of lockdown, also the national emergency. So even today I don't need to work, but I just wake up as the usual. Now it's 8:30 and this is a workplace for my wife, and she have to work from home. Hello, good morning. Okay, better don't disturb her. After my breakfast and my morning shower, so I have to do my housekeeping, and this is the water is a fridge, and we're using the water 5 and the fridge 1 to dilute it and then do a housekeeping and clean the wires. All the remote control and the door handle. You see today is raining. Oh my god, it's quite heavy. And this is my son. He didn't go to school, but he have a e-learning in the house. The rain is stopped now. I brought all my bedding. And also Aiden. The garden here after rain. Put some seed, coriander seed on the back. So after a few weeks time it will grow. And this one is a lemon basil. Smell very good, that one. And of course this is the grape. The rain stopped and the sun come out now. You see how sunny the day. Now I'm going out for a walk. There's no car on the road. In New Zealand here, the lockdown is not 100%, and because we still can going out for a walk, but must keep the social distance for at least 2 meters away from each other. After my walk, and I reach home that I need to prepare lunch now. And let me show you, this is the food that we prepare for the couple of weeks. This is the vegetable, and I have to cook something fast one because it's going to be noon time soon. It's noon time now, and think of something that I can cook. And this one here, let's see. Of course, I always stock up some of this chip. That's my favorite one. And see, this is my fridge that we have storage. And also at the bottom is a freezer that we have here. So let's see what I can cook. Now I need to prepare for my Askk kitchen video. Let's start this one. I have to set up my camera rack now. I got one hand and the other hand doing this one. I have to stop this one, the gimbal one, so I can concentrate more on my kitchen Askk kitchen video. This is our lunch for today, and this is a sauce. It's quite spicy. This is very crunchy and very delicious, and also very easy to make.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
I have finished my work for the day, and now he's doing his video editing for what he recorded this morning. Say
Now
hi.
it's hello. Now it's my turn to start my work.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Bye.
My son have a piano lesson online that now he can't go to the teacher house and they do the practice on the Skype.
Can I put it like this?
And you can see my wife now evening time she have a Zumba. Oh, I have to join my wife for this one walk. I love this one. Keep distance 2 meters away. Yes.
My mom's cooking dinner tonight. Added some bean sprouts here. And what are those veggies? Chives. And then there's the noodles. And let's try to find some tofu.
There's no tofu.
No. What's that? Fish cake, is it?
Fish cake.
Yes, right there. That thing right there is fish cake.
We have prawns, calamari.
Yep, the prawns is over there, if you can see it. Just right there. Yep, there. And where's the calamari? Calamari. Oh, yep, over there. Those 2 pieces there are calamari. Show us some tossing skills. Okay, dinner is served soon. It's dinner time.
You can see now we have video for this one. My wife do some baking and do some cake.